So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone camera shaking on video after iOS 16 update. Lot of iPhone user reported the camera bug on iOS 16 update. So in this video I am giving you some tips so you can easily fix the shaking camera of iPhone after iOS 16 update. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Before moving to the videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Let's start video without wasting any time. Firstly, move to the solution 1. Solution 1 is open iPhone setting. In setting app, tap on general, tap on software update and check if you have any pending software update. If you have any pending software update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update and easily fix the issue. You can see appears on screen. If you are showing any pending update here, just update your iPhone. Move to the next one. The next one is forced to restart your iPhone after iOS 16 update. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just easily forced to restart your iPhone and then try the iPhone camera. If that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is open iPhone setting. In setting app, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, just tap on that, tap on reset and you can see appears on screen reset all settings showing here. Just reset all setting here and then easily fix that issue. If that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is turn on torch light and then turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds and then try camera. If that method is also not working, then make sure you don't have any hardware issue on your iPhone camera. If you have any hardware issue on your iPhone camera, just contact your nearest Apple store and fix that issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone camera shaking on video after new iOS 16 update. If the video is helpful for you, hit the subscribe button and press bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.